It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, to my page. My name is Winifred Omor, soon to be Winifred Ikeme. And yeah, welcome to my wedding series. In this series, we are going to be planning a wedding because clearly your girl is engaged. By now, I think you should see the engagement video before this. I have not yet filmed it. I'm probably going to film it by month end or so. So yeah, I just checked my YouTube. It's over 1 year I stopped filming and it's crazy. Like it's been 1 year. But have I not vlogged in 1 year? Clearly I vlogged, but I even had a video that was supposed to go up after that, my last video. I edited it and then I just deleted my whole app. Like I deleted the editing app and I got storage problems and blah 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 blah, and that was it. But yeah, your girl is getting married. Like I've started filming YouTube when I was like in uni, second year of uni, and now I'm getting married to the love of my life. So I'll be filming content around it. Today is the 2nd of June. It's still a special day for me because I'll just tell you guys all about it, okay? So yeah, I just came to introduce this vlog and I braided my hair yesterday. Guys, I'm getting really good at this all back thing because look at me now, all by myself, like. So I decided to change scenery and come and film outside. So what's today? You guys will be like, girl, why are you picking up your camera to film today? So today is 2nd of June. It's a Sunday. I'm working today, fortunately. I think my fiance will go to church, but I am working. Guys, my in-laws are about to meet today to prepare to come to see my people. So my husband's brother is going in his place to meet his uncles and his family members, and they are going to organize themselves and pick who and who is going to Akwa Ibom to ask for my hand in marriage. And also they have already asked for my hand in marriage. I don't think I filmed that day. I was working, guys. Work. I was working, so I couldn't really film that day. But to by this month end, they will go to get my bridal price list. It's called Ikwaka in Igbo, but Akwa Ibom is called Nkongodok. Ndidion folk has already happened, so it's Nkongodok. So yeah, the knocking of the door. So yeah guys, I am so happy about that. And yeah, and also this month we're having our pre-wedding photo shoot. We have booked the photographer, we have booked the studio, my clothes has been ordered. I will show you guys when my SHEIN order arrives for this. So yeah, wedding series has officially started. Guys, I don't know how to film again, because tell me why I just filmed the whole whole YouTube intro and the format was wrong. I literally had to go to crop and change the camera. So guys, yeah, I just found out that I've not really been filming, so basically this is the start, so which is good. So I'll have to run you down on everything that has been happening. So engagement. Yeah, I got engaged in February and it was wonderful and everything was good. And then crazy things happened, guys. Wedding planning is not, in fact, getting married is not for the weak, man. It's strongest soldier battles that they used to do this one. So I don't know, you guys can see my ring. I love it. Well, let me tell you something. This is not the ring that my husband to be gave me on my engagement day. That ring went missing. But thank God for the company that we bought with. We could get another one, and I upgraded to the one in gold because yeah, everything is a blessing in disguise. But guys, that day I cried my eyes out But that's why you have to marry a good person, because my husband to be was so supportive. He was like, don't cry, don't worry. It doesn't change the fact that we are engaged. I still love you. I'm still going to marry you. We're still obviously planning a wedding. Like, but I was so heartbroken. I had to go to TikTok and I found out that I wasn't the only one. Like, there were other people that had misplaced their wedding rings, and that gave me peace. So I was just saying, I'm like, you guys, that one felt like an attack on my part. I will not even lie. But yeah, that happened. That's just the one thing I have to update you guys. So the plan is just for you to go with me through the months of the serious prep, because this month we're having serious prep. What have I done so far? I've not done anything. I've just booked an events planner. What I would advise a future bride is, don't talk to too much event planners, because you'll meet so much dreamers that when it's time, especially if you want to do like a medium and average budget wedding, I don't think you should talk to so many event planners, because many event planners will come with you with like humongous dreams, and then by the time they tell you the budget of that humongous dream, you will crumple. I had an event planner that told me that I should bring 30 million for everything, and I was like, 30 million? Are you crazy? Like, if I want to use 30 million and do a wedding, my husband and I will use 30 million and do so many other things. I would never spend that amount of money on wedding. I'm not that crazy, even though my parents think I'm that crazy, but I'm not that crazy. Yeah, guys, you can see that I'm clearly happy. I have not filmed this content because I've been anxious and I felt like I was dreaming, and it was a dream that wasn't going to happen. But yesterday, while we were praying Hallelujah Challenge, God told me that it is done. Put faith in it. That on the seventh day, the Bible portion that came to me was the book of Genesis. I'm going to put it here. And day before yesterday, it was Psalm 46 verse 10. So God has really been coming through for me and everything. It's gonna be a banger. I just hope I can film it. I not even hope, I will film it, because I'm filming it as my video diary for myself. Even if this video has 1 views, I don't care. Because I'm just feeling, basically, it's a girl that went out of YouTube, come back to YouTube to film content for her memories and run out back. Peace. So I told you guys I'll come back when my SHEIN order comes. Let me see. This is it. Thumbnail. Finally, I'm so happy that this came. Guys, it's a big order. I'm so scared. This is the most money I've spent on SHEIN. Oh God. I've officially become a SHEIN girl. Engagement photoshoot content. That is my man. My man sent me something that they said no order on SHEIN. I said no, them sabi. Now them sabi. Sabi girl, no they too like touch. Okay. The first thing I can find, this. I bought this for pimple popping. Let's open it and see how it works. It's called a multifunctional cleaning instrument. Multifunctional, what else does it come? Apart from pimples. Ooh, guys, it looks so good. Look at all the devices. I'll try this out. So now to the fun things. First of all, my jewelry. I ordered this jewelry for my brown look. It comes with a bracelet, a necklace, and an earring. Then what is this? Ooh. So guys, I want to recreate a dress that is on mesh. Is this white dress that has like flowers coming down from it? So I bought like this artificial flowers. Like the material is like, it's like a material thing, but it has this ending part. So my plan is I'm going to cut this ending part and then just sew it on my dress. I wish myself good luck, man. So I got 30 pieces of this because you know, with DIYs, it's try and error. Some of the flowers might die in the process. Then I got myself this wristwatch. And it comes with a wristwatch and bangle, so it's like a set. So let me try it on. It's biting. I got myself a gold wristwatch so that, you know, to go with my outfits. Next thing, oh yes guys, this is another of my thing. So I'm planning to have like bows on my hair. So yeah, I got a brown bow because the first color we're wearing is like nude colors, so I got like a brown. Guys, I used to know how to open this thing when I was small. I used to use a lot of this type of hair clips, but as I've not used this since I was a child, I need to watch a tutorial of how to do it. But yeah, it's like this, so it's going to be like a bow on my head. Yeah, I got it in this color. I got it in this like champagne color, and I got it in black for my second outfit. So yeah, what's the next thing I'm seeing? Guys, I have an obsession with my teeth not being white. So I bought this for me to start using. Basically, it's teeth whitening strips, and apparently the TikTok girl still works. So I got it. Whew, and the first dress of the day, okay, is my official black dress. Oh my god, guys, I'm going to try this on, but it's so long. I was praying to God, I was like, God, please let it be long, because I am very short, so I want it to like be long on the floor so that I would have like a trim. But this is it. The neck is like this. So I'm planning to add on, there's this bow I ordered. I'm planning to add it to the end of the sleeve so that when I tie it on my neck, right, it drops. Then I add the extension and it drops to, you will see it. I will try to film the DIY. I will try, because I'm going to be on a call with my friend for moral support, and she did laugh at me. So the second dress I got is this dress that is trending all over social media. But this is the dress. I pray it sizes me though. But yeah, this is what the dress looks like. And it's my brown outfit. I'm going to try it after now. Guys, I'm getting nervous. What's this? Oh yes, I ordered the brown twice, so I'm going to return this. I'm going to click to need the black look. Yes, and this is the bow thing I ordered. And what's this? Yes, this I ordered a sticker thing for my phone. Yeah. So I'm going to confirm all my orders that they are complete. And this is my bodysuit. So let me go and try out this outfit and see what they look like on me. So guys, good morning. I have an order to pick for the pre-wedding shoot, and I have to do my nails today. I'm thinking, do I cut the vlog? Do I cut the vlog here? So I have put the order in my box, and yeah. Guys, I'm so nervous. Should I get gum? No, I can't eat anything. No, I think I should get gum. Spider-Man. Guys, is it giving bride? So guys, I don't know. I did show you guys. So I've gotten my nails done. I'm going to try to show you guys. I got my nails done and I got my toes done. I'll put a B-roll. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here for this particular video, and the next content that will be on here will be the pre-wedding for the shoot proper. And I don't know if I'm going to film that content for YouTube, or then I'll film for TikTok, and then I'll repurpose it as a YouTube content. So yeah, guys. I think it's time I let you know my official wedding hashtag. Our wedding hashtag is hashtag Chris cut a win and hashtag Chris wins 24. We have two hashtags. We are using two because why not? Why freaking not? Guys, I can't believe that I'm getting married this year. And I can't wait for it to happen. I hope for it. Can you guys see my earrings is pearl and gold? Can you see my nails? Let me focus it. Focus. Why is it not focusing? But yeah, it's pearl and gold. I don't know why it's not focusing. I've tried. Let me remove my face. So whatever, guys. That's it.